Hello all, welcome back to the channel. So it's been quite a long gap between my past video and today's video. So today in this video we will analyze the Nifty Bank Nifty price action and possible plan for tomorrow. Considering that tomorrow is expiry, and in this expiry, if you can see, there has been one way down movement, with minor retracements. Now, coming to what happened previous to this, like the prior trend. So, if you can see, the prior trend is definitely bullish, it's not at bearish. And as you can see, market started its rally, it started its rally coming from close to like end of March. Like I'm just drawing from the mid of March, but just to ensure you guys understand the price action here. Now what happened next is, one moment, and we are right now here, continuing that price action. But the main thing is, the retracements were small. Okay, and there was no chance that you could have been bearish with the kind of retracements that were happening. And if you were bearish, then you will have to review your price action concepts. Now coming to today's action, and I've marked certain levels, and the markings keep getting updated as per the price action. And coming to the favorite time frame, well, there's nothing really famous or favorite about it, or nor is it famous. It all comes down to your mindset. Now coming, I'm currently on the 5 minutes time frame, and as you can see, Bank Nifty topped out. Like, considering the rally that we had, this profit booking was quite brutal and was quite unexpected. And we saw one leg of profit booking here, on this section, and then came the other set of profit booking. I would call it profit booking considering the trend. And as you can see, market opened flat, market opened flat, and it went sideways. It broke the low, the morning lows, and again went sideways, and again went sideways, gave a small pullback. And this is where the shorts of the day would have got accumulated, and the market went down and then again went sideways. So overall the market, trend for the day was sideways with a slight bearish trend or a bearish tone. Now what are the possibilities tomorrow? Now considering that tomorrow is like the weekly expiry for Bank Nifty and Nifty, and seeing the overall trend, I'm gonna consider three cases. Let's say if we open gap up, like a huge gap up. If it's a huge gap up, then we will wait for the price action, whether it will test this zone which I have marked here, 14 350 400 zone. And if it makes, or if it breaks the day high, then you guys can go long. And basically you'll have to understand the price action here and what it is forming, and then take your decisions. And considering that, let's say if we open flat, then in that case the idea would be to, just a moment, yeah. So considering that if we open flat, then my guess is that it will be the sellers who will gain control, and the chances are that we will be touching 42,000 again. And based on the price action that will happen here, let's say it might give a small retracement and then go down. But the pullback or the price action near this zone, that is 42,000, and further on, and based on the candles that is forming, you can take wise decisions. But my expectation is, or what is price telling us, and considering the current week expiry, I am guessing a breakdown would happen. And like breakdown either like might get stopped and the market might reverse up, that is back towards 42,200. And if this level breaks, I'm expecting a very good short covering rally on the upside, like considering that tomorrow is a expiry. So that is one plan. And further on, there can be a chance that, let's say, market again makes price action and it goes to 41,800. So at this level I would be looking to go long, because here the risk to reward for bears are quite, I mean, not so favorable. And this is where buyers can gain control and take nifty higher, like nifty higher in the sense back to this 42,000 level. And yes, the breaking of this level 42,000 would be very much important for bulls to regain control or to see short covering rally. So there are two levels for me, like where above which I can expect a good rally on the upside, especially on the second half, and where gamma can kick in and you can make a good amount of money. So one level is 42 220 to 30, that is this zone which I'm trying to highlight here. And in case if the breakdown happens till 41,800, then if 42,000 breaks, and then I can expect a rally till 42 41, sorry, 42 to 122. So that's the plan for like bank nifty. Now coming to, let's go to the next index. So this is like FinNifty. FinNifty, not much happened today considering, and these are the levels that I have marked here. The market was sideways right throughout the day, and considering tomorrow's expiry, I think the place where, or the price point where I would be bullish is above this level, that is 18,800, 780 to 800 sorry, 18,800 levels. And in case this level sustain, then we can see a good upside rally. And on the downside, the main support is at 18,700 on 720. And if this breaks, then we can see 18,665 to be touched. And based on the price action here, you can probably go long. I'm expecting this levels to be respected, but it all comes down to what the market decides and what the price action happens at those levels, and then you can take your decisions accordingly. And next comes Nifty. And Nifty, as you can see, this was the previous level that I had marked. So what happened today? So compared to Bank Nifty was like quite volatile, considering that it was between the two zones. And you can see that in Nifty the pullback was quite strong when compared to Bank Nifty was mostly like sideways. So Nifty was more volatile when compared to Bank Nifty. And again, as you can see, the sell off came from 17,670 level. For me, above this level or tomorrow, this level will be quite important. Break of this level in the second half can lead to a very good rally on the upside. So that's the first plan that we can trade, that you guys can plan, especially for the second half. And mostly expecting the first half tomorrow to be sideways. So let's see how it unfolds. And the main thing is in Nifty, for instance, is a breakdown either below this level, that is 17,574, which got respected last week. So this will be the crucial level in this zone. As long as Nifty sustains this, I think we should be okay. If not, then on an higher time frame, as you can see, let me just go to a little higher time frame. The market has been like looking for a trend change, though on the higher time frame, that is on daily time frame, the trend is still up. Any break of this level, on higher time frame, that is 17,550 or 17,500, then you can look for short trades. So that's the plan for tomorrow. Mainly looking forward to Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty can give good momentum in second half. So that's the whole idea. So that's it for the day, and I'll be making and putting up regular videos going forward. So please do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Hope my explanation was quite detailed and you were able to understand. Please do post your questions in the comments. I'll try to address them as and when possible. So trade responsibly and keep your money management and risk management sound and sustain in the market. So in the long run, you will definitely make money. So that's it for today. Take care, guys. Bye bye.